one in the box. What do we do? Oh, thank you. What's your name? What's your name? Make a cake. I've got red. I'm gonna make a red cake. Okay, do you want a piece of raspberry? How is it? Is it yummy? It's a yummy ball. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the round. Doors on the bus go open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. The door I can see far beyond the bushes, he said. But the others said, what's so good about that? Oh, Sarah, do you think you can do it? Ready? We're gonna walk. Let's see, ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Yay! Okay, this little piggy went to the market. This little piggy stayed home. This little piggy had a roast beef. This little piggy had a lemon. And this little piggy all the way home, yay!